In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up abandoned cart email in Mailchimp. Abandoned cart emails are a simple, automated way to remind shoppers about items they left behind, recover lost revenue, and offer a helpful nudge back to checkout. Before we begin, make sure your online store is connected to Mailchimp so the platform can detect carts and customer activity. Start by going to Mailchimp and signing into your account. From the main dashboard, head to Automations. This is where Mailchimp's Journey Builder lives, and it's the home for all your flows and triggers. Next, open flow templates. You'll see examples and suggestions here, but to have full control over the experience, choose Build from Scratch. This gives you a clean canvas so you can tailor the flow to your brand and how your customers shop. Give your flow a clear descriptive name. Something like Abandoned Cart Main Store keeps things organized, especially if you manage multiple stores or product lines. A good name helps you and your team quickly identify the purpose of the automation later. Now choose a trigger. The trigger determines when the automation begins. Select the option to trigger when someone abandons a cart. This tells Mailchimp to watch for shoppers who add items but don't complete checkout within your platform's defined window. If you don't see this option, double check that your e-commerce integration is active. Select your store from the drop-down. If you operate more than one storefront, make sure you pick the correct one so the flow listens to the right data source and the right product catalog. To refine who enters the journey, select Customer Cart Contains. This condition lets you target carts with certain products, categories, or attributes. You can keep it broad to reach any abandoned cart, or narrow it to promote specific items, high-value products, or seasonal collections. Clear targeting helps keep your message relevant and your results strong. At this point, you can add a step. This is where you build the actual journey logic, such as sending the abandoned cart email and setting timing. Consider a short delay so the reminder arrives when it's most helpful, and write copy that's friendly, concise, and focused on getting the shopper back to their cart. Include a direct return to cart link, highlight the items left behind if you plan to use dynamic content, and keep your subject line clear and actionable. Before wrapping up, preview your message to ensure images, links, and personalization look correct. That's it. You've set up the core abandoned cart flow in Mailchimp with the right trigger, store, and targeting in place, and you're ready to refine the content so it matches your brand voice and goals.